Hey, what's up? I'm Dhaval from Cine Basics, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to make smooth slow motion with videos recorded at 25 and 30 frames per second. So there is no magic pill to do this. You will need software to artificially create additional frames. So we are going to do this in Adobe Premiere. So you can see over here we have a high definition video 1920 by 1080 at 25 frames per second. So I've already identified the area which I'll be using for making this a slow motion. Import the footage into the sequence. So we can see over here that the speed is 100%, which is like regular motion, and the duration of the video is 3 seconds 15 frames. As we make it to 50%, so the total duration increases, but when we play this we can see the video is a bit jittery, so we have to change it to smooth motion. So first I'll do is go to filled option. I would deinterlace the footage, then I would go to time interpolation, optical flow. You will have to render the footage, so I'll select the video and render the selection. So it will take some time. I've already rendered this, so that's why it is green at the top of the window. So now we can see the video is quite smooth and it is not jittering. So let me try to slow it down further to 20%. The duration further increases, and as we can see right now over here it was not rendered, so I have to re-render this at 20%. So I'll render the selection. It will take some time depending upon how long the video is. So you can see now it is way more smoother, and even though this video was recorded 25 frames per second, we can see it is giving a feel of a super slow motion. Although it's a long process, but if you do not have a luxury of recording the videos at the high frame rates, you can use this method to tell better stories by mixing the different frame rates. So we can see the first one with 20% slow motion, second one with 50% slow motion, and third one is without the optical flow, and how it looks jittery. You can see the different videos. And that was it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.